In this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade ice cream with only 2 ingredients that can be found at the nearest supermarket. And also, using this homemade ice cream, we will make 3 fantastic flavors of ice cream that you and your family will love. Now, the first thing to do is to chill your instrument so that your ice cream can be extra cold. So I have my bowl and my whisking things in the freezer. So let's take them out and we start making the ice cream. So the only 2 ingredients you need are whipping cream and sweet condensed milk. Now you could easily make your own sweet condensed milk, which we'll make in another video, but now I have one that I bought from the supermarket. So the first thing to do is we're going to whip our whipping cream completely until it forms stiff peaks. So once you've whipped your whipped cream and it has stiff peaks, now we're just going to add the sweet condensed milk, and boom, we have the base of all our homemade ice creams. So with that, we have the base of our homemade ice cream. This is literally just ice cream already. So the first flavor that we're going to make is this sweet vanilla, which means we just take this, we add a little bit of vanilla essence, we've put it in the freezer for 24 hours, and boom, our vanilla ice cream is ready. So there we have the base of our ice cream. To this, we are just adding vanilla, you guys. I'm telling you, it already tastes so good, but we have to put it in our freezer. So I'm just going to get some cling film, cover it, make sure I leave no room for bubbles. And for freezer burn, I'll show you how it looks like. Ooh-wee. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Next is an Oreo flavored ice cream. I mean, one of everybody's favorites. So the first thing to do, I'm going to crush some Oreos in this my Ziploc bag here. Okie dokes. And then we will simply just pour our crushed Oreos. The third flavor is, of course, chocolate ice cream, my personal favorite. So in our base here, I'm just going to add natural cocoa powder to give it a really nice chocolatey taste. Simple as 1, 2, 3. I think I should have melted an ice cream. So now we're just going to let these 3 flavors chill in the fridge from 6 hours to 12. I will wait for 24 hours for mine. Then we'll see how they look like. And there you have it, guys. Let me know which one of these is your favorite, and check out this video where we made our own peanut butter from home from the simplest of ingredients. See you there.